our first question from Intezam 9735. And their question is, can the oil be replicated with full spectrum CBD distillate mixed with terpenes and THC distillate? Because these are legal in my country and I can order them by mail and have it within 2 days. Given the punch of THC, this seems so much more affordable. I do have cancer, by the way. Can you elaborate?
Okay, so it seems like this, assuming it's a gentleman, has cancer and he wants to get RSO, but it's not legal in his country. But for whatever reason, the CBD and THC distillates are, and terpenes, which are components of the RSO. And he wants to know that if he just gets those pieces and pieces everything together, will it have the same effect? And for whatever reason, he feels it's more affordable that way too. But the answer to it is it can't be replicated by piecing it together. RSO cannot be replicated by piecing the components together. And the reason being is it's a whole plant extraction with a specific solvent that extracts the maximum amount of nutrients from the plant. Okay, so there's like the cannabinoids, terpenes, isoflavones, flavonoids, and thousands of other phytonutrients that are present in the oil, and that cannot be replicated in the lab. But that being said, there are benefits to like distillates and isolates for THC and CBD, and they can be helpful for certain conditions, like what I call more minor conditions like anxiety, sleep, pain. That's actually one of the acronyms for CBD is sleep, pain, anxiety, SPA. Those are the top 3 things that it helps with. And that can be helped with isolates and distillates, okay? But the more hardcore conditions like my glaucoma, cancer, lupus, MS, etc., they need, for whatever reason, all of the components in the RSO. And like I said, it cannot be replicated in the lab. There's thousands of phytonutrients. There's the cannabinoids, like not just like the 3, 4, or 5 of them that they've isolated, in the lab, but there's over 113 of them. And then there's, like I said, the thousands of phytonutrients, dozens of terpenes and isoflavones and flavonoids. Like all that together is where the magic is. So in other words, you cannot replicate in the lab what nature has provided us.
Excellent. Okay.